get ready with me to go have a sleepover at my friend's.
You guys are wondering why I'm wearing, a crop top and, a skirt. It's because, and it's a for very fun, right? Oh, yeah, so one room to be cleaning, and then one to be using the bath, the makeup, and, skincare, or, hairbrush, and stuff like that. I'll show you, all what I'm putting in here, so I'm not just, yes, and then, go. Okay, guys, first I'm going to be putting in, where is that? I'm going to be putting in my hairbrush, because it's, the biggest thing. That's what I Except my toothbrush. That's another thing. I'll be back when I have all my toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, so I have my toothbrush and toothpaste down here. But I'm not just putting my toothbrush and toothpaste, I'm putting it in, and I'm going to find the bag for it. But yeah, also, to all these Swifties out there, I know people hate Taylor Swift and people love Taylor Swift, but I'm not trying to, be like, Taylor Swift best. But yeah, to all Swifties, subscribe, because I'm going to be putting in the Envy Daydream. If you're wondering, that my name is actually Envy from right here. Isn't that cool? Guys, it's like everything. Guys, I would bring my slime dog, but guys, and I would bring my cloud, surf, but it was gone. I know she knows slime dog, but I don't know if I always have two of stuff, like always. It's crazy. Except the cloud surf, the purple one, I don't have two. And I was like, guys, I found my bubble that actually has stuff in it.
Okay, guys, sorry, it was on 2x speed the whole entire time. But these are the pajamas that I'm taking. Wait, is this still on 2x speed? Oh, no, it's in 1x. So I'm going to take these pajamas. I'll pack it later. And then let's find a cute outfit for tomorrow. These pink socks. Yeah. Off to my friends.